very cool and hard-blowing. I wouldn't say it was the easiest to install, but the only reason I gave 4 stars was because the coils arrived damaged. But I contacted the manufacturer, so hopefully they will be able to get a resolution for this, but otherwise I love it. I'll do an update review in a month or so. As we purchased this to try and use the main AC less to try and save some money. I live in Phoenix, so weather gets to be 115 to 120 during July/August. Our last month's electric bill was $480 in June, but these next 2 months are our hottest. I have a 1136 SF home with 3 bedrooms. Plan to close off the bedrooms and bathrooms and cool the main area. I like that it blows upwards. It's not as cool as I expected, but it really was enough to make a good difference. Very easy to install. My bedroom is not that big, it takes too long to cool it off, but when it's finally cool it's cold. I like it. Nope, I love it. Thanks. Unit seems to work well, powerful. Didn't give full stars because it was received with fairly large dents in it. Thankfully those dents don't prevent it from working correctly, so far. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.